Today, let us see the next question in exercise 1.1. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. Above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1,200 meter below the sea level. Okay. So they have asked here is what is the vertical distance between them? They have okay. From this picture, we can imagine that this is the center point, and from here aeroplane is flying above the sea level of 5,000 meter, and from the center point this submarine is floating below the sea level of 1,200 meters. So what they have asked here, vertical distance between them, that is from vertical distance means what, from here to here, what is the total distance. Okay, they have given here a zero now, so this is the center point, this is the center point. From here, we have to calculate above the sea level and below the sea level. Okay, let us write here. Distance. Distance above the sea level. That is 5,000 meter. Distance below the sea level. That is 1,200 meters. So they have asked here, what is the, they have asked here? They have the total vertical distance between them from the aeroplane to submarine. So we have to add it. So the distance, total distance between 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 aeroplane and submarine. So between aeroplane and submarine is, we have to add. So that is 5,000 plus 1,200. So the total distance is 6,200 meters. So the answer here is the vertical distance. The vertical distance between them is 6,200 meters. Okay. So we are going to see the next question here. Mohan deposits 2,000 rupees in bank account and withdraw 1,642 rupees in the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account from after the withdrawal. So what they have asked here is, when in a bank account, when an amount is withdrawn, that is represented in negative integer. Then when we deposit an amount, that will be represented in a positive integer, right? So they have given here is, when if a withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, that is from the bank, when we withdraw amount, that is we are taking out. When we withdraw amount, that is represented in negative. When we deposit amount, that means we are putting in. When we deposit amount, that will be represented in a negative integer. So let us solve this question. Mohan deposit amount in bank. How much he deposited in the bank? That is 2,000. Sorry, rupees 2,000. Rupees is very important here as it is money. Mohan withdraw amount. Withdraws amount from the bank, that is rupees 1,642. So now we can go to the part A, that is Then withdrawal amount. Withdrawal withdrawal amount is represented as a negative integer. So withdrawal amount here is how much? 1642. That is represented here as negative 1642. And so what they have asked here, what will be the deposited amount represented? So deposit amount should be represented by a positive integer, that is positive 2000. So this is part A, and they have asked the final, what they have asked, what is the balance in Morgan's account? So balance after withdrawal is 2000 minus 1642. So the answer would be, that is 8. Here it is 5 and 3. So the balance in account after the withdrawal is rupees 358 rupees. Understood?